Welcome to the Cooler Depot. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand, the single-door refrigerators. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For this unit, about like a 27.5 inches wide. And the overall depth about like a 30 inches. And the height of the unit is about like 81 inches tall. As we can see the front of the units, they come in with LED banners, and they have the switches on the side, and also they're having a lockers at the bottoms. Right here we can see the grill fan to ventilate the airs, and also they're having the controllers right here. And the units, they come in with the 110 standard power plugs at behind. Now when we open the door, we can see this door is soft closed and also double layer of the glass. And right here we can see the sanitation stickers, the cut sheets, the manufacturer diagrams, and also having the air circulating fan on top of it. They do having the LED strips on the side and the adjustable shelvings. So let me give the shelving dimensions. The shelvings about like a 2 feet deep, and also about like a 24 inches wide. And the overall height is about like a 54 inches. The units coming with the 4 wheels at the bottoms for you to easy to move. And that's will be the all detailed information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.